If your kitchen counter is crowded with separate appliances for toasting, baking, air frying, and reheating, you're not alone. Many people buy multiple gadgets hoping to simplify cooking, only to end up with less space and more clutter. That's why multi-function countertop ovens have become so popular. And today we're taking a close look at the Val Cucina Retro 26.3 quart infrared heating air fryer toaster oven to see if it actually earns a permanent spot in your kitchen. The Val Cucina Retro air fryer toaster oven is designed for families, home cooks, meal preppers, and anyone looking to replace several appliances with one versatile cooking solution. With infrared heating, true convection cooking, and 10 built-in cooking functions, it promises faster cooking and crispier results while handling everything from toast to full family dinners. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. One of the first things you'll notice is the design. Unlike many countertop ovens that look purely functional, the almond yellow retro finish gives this appliance genuine personality. It feels like something that was designed to be seen rather than hidden away. The combination of vintage styling and modern controls creates a unique look that stands out without feeling outdated. The build quality feels reassuringly solid, and the door opens smoothly with a sturdy feel that inspires confidence during daily use. The interior space is another highlight. This oven offers enough room for larger meals without feeling oversized on the countertop. Whether you're making a 12-inch pizza, roasting a chicken, or preparing snacks for a group, the generous capacity gives you flexibility that many compact air fryers simply can't match. The included accessories, including the air fryer basket, baking tray, wire rack, and crumb tray, make it ready to handle a wide range of cooking tasks right out of the box. Performance is where the Val Cucina begins to separate itself from many competing models. The combination of infrared heating and true convection technology is designed to improve both cooking speed and consistency. In practical use, foods tend to cook evenly with less waiting around. French fries develop a crisp exterior, chicken wings brown nicely, and baked foods benefit from more uniform heat distribution. The result is food that often looks and tastes closer to what you'd expect from a larger full-size oven. Another advantage is how quickly it integrates into a normal daily routine. Preheating times feel shorter than those of many traditional ovens, which can be a significant time saver on busy weeknights. The 10 preset cooking functions simplify common tasks, allowing you to move from air frying to baking or reheating without constantly adjusting complicated settings. The controls strike a good balance between offering versatility and remaining approachable for beginners. Noise levels are fairly typical for a convection appliance. You'll hear the fan running during operation, but it isn't overly loud or distracting. Most users will quickly tune it out while cooking. Cleaning is also relatively straightforward. The enamel baking tray and removable crumb tray help contain messes, while the accessible interior makes wiping down surfaces easier than some competing countertop ovens. Of course, no appliance is perfect. Because this unit combines so many functions, it takes up more space than a standard air fryer. If you have a very small kitchen, you'll want to measure your available counter space carefully. Additionally, while the preset functions work well, getting the absolute best results from certain recipes may require a little experimentation during the first few uses. Compared to similarly priced models from brands like Ninja, Cuisinart, and Emerald Lagasse, the Val Cucina stands out because of its retro styling, infrared heating system, and generous cooking capacity. Some competitors may offer more advanced digital interfaces, but Val Cucina focuses on practical performance and cooking versatility, which many households will appreciate. Overall, the Val Cucina Retro 26.3 quart infrared heating air fryer toaster oven delivers a strong combination of style, capacity, and cooking performance. It's especially well suited for families, frequent entertainers, and anyone looking to consolidate multiple kitchen appliances into one capable machine. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews. And if you're looking for a countertop oven that can save space, speed up cooking, and handle a wide variety of meals, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.